Chapter 5 Pronouns. Read this sentence. Siddharth promised that Siddharth would clean his room after Siddharth finished the work that Siddharth was doing. Now read this. Siddharth promised that he would clean his room after he finished the work that he was doing. The word he is used in place of the noun Siddharth in the second sentence. This makes the second sentence shorter and easier to read. Words that are used in place of nouns, as shown in the example above, are called pronouns. We use them to make sentence less repetitive. Some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, they, them, she, her, he, him, and it. I am playing with Mary and Hema. They are my friends. So they is pronoun. Mummy and I went to the market. We brought many things. We is pronoun because it is used in place of mummy and I. Belen has just joined my school. She is a new student. Circle the correct pronouns that would complete the sentence. Joe has left his sweater here. I will give it to him tomorrow. Sheetal got a new bicycle on her birthday. It has a shiny bell and a basket. Jagat and his friends are watching the match on television. They are making a lot of noise. Nilesh and I will go to the mall. We want to buy some books. We could not get onto the bus. It was too crowded. My brother went for a trek in the hills. He enjoys outdoor adventures. We are going for a walk. Why don't you come with us? Please give Aranya and Farah some money. They need to buy some stationery. My mother and I go to the park on Sunday. We usually take a picnic lunch with us. This is Daddy's watch. Grandpa gave it to him. Replace the underlined words with pronouns and rewrite the paragraph. One day Riti woke up early in the morning. She looked out of the window and saw two tiny sparrows. The sparrows were building a nest. They felt that the windowsill was a safe place for their nest. Riti watched them every day. She was very happy to see them build a nest on her windows. Soon it was ready. Though the nest looked rather untidy, the sparrows seemed comfortable in it. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun and to show possession or ownership. Some common possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Is this notebook yours or is it mine? Remember, we never use apostrophe in possessive pronouns. Take the correct possessive pronouns in the brackets. This bag belongs to me. It's mine. I forget my book. Arun lent me his. Your house is closer to the park than mine. This toy is shared by my sister and me. It is ours. This coat belonged to my mother. When she was a child, it was hers, but now it is mine. Your shoes are covered in mud. The muddy footprints in the kitchen must be yours. You won these books in the contest. These books are yours. Kia said that she was sorry. She said that the mistake was hers. Read this sentence. The traveler bowed to the king. He presented a gift to the queen. The word traveler can be used for both males and females. The word gift refers to a non-living thing which is neither male nor female. The words king and he refers to a male and the words queen refers to a female. Gender. All nouns and pronouns can be categorized by genders. There are 4 genders in English. Nouns and pronouns that refer to males are in the masculine gender. Example, man, uncle, grandfather, lion, he, him, his. Nouns and pronouns that refer to females are in the feminine gender. Examples, woman, aunt, grandmother, lioness, she, her, hers. Nouns and pronouns that refer to both males and females are in the common gender. Student examples: students, friends, they, them, you, yours, ours, mine, we, us, I. Nouns and pronouns that refer to living or non-living things which are neither male nor female belongs to the neutral gender. Examples: soap, chair, tree, umbrella, it. Circle the nouns and pronouns in each line. Write them under the correct headings. Here, Aranya and she will meet us at the restaurants. Aranya, she, us, and restaurants are noun and pronouns. Mother is noun, so we'll circle it. Niece is noun, cousin is noun. He is pronoun, duck is noun, kid is noun, goose is noun, farm is noun. Polly is noun, she is pronoun. Be quiet, the bull is sleeping, let's not disturb him. Bull is noun and him is pronoun. If this pen is yours, where is mine? Pen is noun, yours is pronoun, mine is pronouns. Lady is noun, writer is noun, she is pronoun. We will put in the respective column. Fill in the blanks with nouns or pronouns of the opposite gender. Choose from the box. Boy, opposite gender is girl. She, he, God, goddess. Tiger, tigress. Brother, sister. Grandfather, grandmother. Husband, wife. Bride, groom. His, hers. Mothers, fathers. Dear students, today we are done revision of chapter 4 and 5. So please revise. Thank you and have a nice day.